to my light hanging tutorial. So today I'm working on these Christmas lights that I have hung around my room that have fallen. I do blame myself because I did use command strips that I don't think were designed for a room that gets hot and cold very quickly. So the ones near this vent, like that one, have fallen already. And I believe it's because the cold air is coming out of the vent and hitting the command strip and making it not as sticky and makes it fall. So I went to my best friend, Target. I already ripped open the box, so I'm gonna try to put it back together before I try to show you what I bought. That is what we're trying today. And they're literally meant for lights. Like, they're literally, this is not focusing. And it says down here for like extreme temperatures. And I was like, okay, if these are meant to work outside in extreme temperatures, then they should work in my bedroom. You can see now, they all kind of drape and kind of go up and down and up and down. And I kind of just want it to be straight along the, where the ceiling meets the wall. I want it to be. This is what it's like to be an adult. This is adulting 101. Because you have weekends free and it's quarantine and you have nothing else to do. And they do say to wipe the wall with alcohol, and I did not do that last time, so maybe I should do that this time. I also maybe should have done my nails for this video, now that I'm thinking about it. You're gonna literally be looking at my hands this whole time. I have the alcohol, and I have a cloth, and I have the little clip thing. Very nicely, very nicely. Yes! Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. So I hope this maybe inspired you to like do this to your room. Make it your sanctuary, because you're gonna be there for a while because no one's wearing masks. This is much more organized looking, and it's good for my like OCD of it all. Everything's in line, everything's organized, everything's good. I think they add a certain ambiance to the room, especially at night when you don't want to have like the light on but it's too dark, but like you want to like read, or you want to like write, or you want to like paper and pen. I'm talking, some people read on a Kindle and like type, but I'm talking like writing in like a journal. And I'm not a professional. I don't really know what I'm doing most of the time. I do think life is a compilation of just you pretending to know what you're doing, and then you kind of just figure it out along the way. I think that's what most people are doing. I also need a new comforter, because there's literally, if I can pan this down, so I have this gaping hole in my comforter, so I've also been meaning to get a new comforter, but I like to like touch them in person and like see the colors, and as we all know, the stores have been closed. Thank you for coming. I will see you all later.